this film that you're about to watch is an introduction to Blaže Koneski, Macedonia's most significant contributor to the post-war intellectual life in Macedonia, the Republic. But here are a few things that might help orient you to the film you're about to see. Koneski was born on the 19th of December 1921, and he died on the 7th of December 1993. He was born in the Prilevsko village of Nebregovo, where he lived until he was 8 when his family moved to Prilev. By the time he was 25, he had completed his studies through a doctorate in Macedonia, Serbia, and Bulgaria, where he got a doctorate. He had published his first major poems. He had been the youngest and most important linguist on the commission that codified the Macedonian standard language, and he had written a response to the Bulgarian Academy of Sciences' attack on the newly standardized language. His work in helping codify the Macedonian language brought Macedonia into all spheres of public life, created opportunities for publishing in Macedonian, and also helped the creation of those institutions that support the intellectual life. The movie says that it was inspired by motifs of Koneski's 1988 Dnevnik po mnogo godini, a diary after many years. And if there's questions about this remarkable work afterwards, I'll tell you more about it. But the film uses a very disorienting montage technique to give us an emotional response to the foreboding and pressures that Koneski must have felt through his life, being born, if you will recall, right after he's born right after the founding of the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes, and he's going to go through all the world wars and everything that happened in between. In the movie, images flash past us of the village of Nebregovo, of the village church, of Koneski's house, of a chess game inside the house, which he as a young boy seems to be playing against himself as some sort of emotional metaphor. We're going to see clips of soldiers marching during the Second World War. We're going to see images of the dance Teshkoto, the heavy dance, which through Koneski's 1948 poem of the same name, Koneski and the dance Teshkoto and it as a trope of Macedonian-ness become combined. In the background, you're also going to hear fragments of his poems, which are unfortunately a bit difficult to grasp through the subtitling. All of these images are intercut with snippets of these interviews about his successes and challenges, voiced by Koneski himself, his colleagues, and his successors, who speak about how Koneski managed to push through the cataclysmic 20th century, fighting against political and personal forebodings. After the film, I'll tell you a little more about Koneski's role in codifying the language, but for now, I want to end with just a short excerpt from a poem about the church in Nebregovo, to let him give you a sense of his own emotional forebodings. This poem comes from his 1948 collection. Neka e proklet časot koga mi kaža дека се уриева црквата во Nebregovo. Илјади тажачки како да почина да се гласат и да тажат во мене тогаш, како од темно подземје да излегува. May that hour be damned when they told me that the church in Nebregovo was destroyed. 1,000 laments seemed to start up, to sound, to grieve in me then, as if from a dark underground they had emerged.
Направивме документарен долгометражен филм за ликот и делото на Blaže Koneski. Откривме некои нови моменти од неговиот живот, приватен и службен, се разбира. Blaže Koneski е тој мегник, таа магна карта, тестаментална карта на македонското верую, на нашите обстои.
Овој филм раскажува за еден човек кој што седи со нас и со нас комуницира, како што беше Конески, ги раскажува сите негови премежиња. На моменти ми се чини како Одисеи, кој што плови и сака нешто да постигне, бидејќи Конески има пишувано и затоа. Јанза е зборот кој што Конески често го употребувал во своето уметничко творештво.
И во филмот се гледа континуитетот Мисирков Конески. Се што е кажано во филмот, всушност само ја покажува, ја потврдува големината на Конески. И остана, мислам дека остана материјал за кажување за Конески најмалку уште за 2-3 филма. Затоа што Конески е една неисцрпна инспирација.